This tip will keep your drawer organizers in place. I use this clear museum gel that I got off of Amazon. I take a little pinch of it and put it in the four corners of the organizer or the bin. It keeps it in place no matter how hard you shut your drawer.
Life hacks I learned from a pro organizer part 3. There is a great way to store your reusable bags. First, fold them into rectangles or squares, always tucking the straps in, then put them in a container that you can keep in your trunk.
Do you have a ton of mugs looking like a hot mess? Get these organizers from Target. They made my mugs look 100 times better, and I know I have lots of mugs, but we use them daily and love every single one.
Easy way to keep your folding clothing neat. I bought these shelf dividers from the Container Store. Let's use them.
All you have to do is slide them in between each of your folded stacks of clothing.
And now they can stay neat.
I'm going to show you how to change this small drawer into a really nice sock drawer using this IKEA cutlery drawer insert. Now these are my recommended folds for your long socks, for your ankle socks, and then finally your no-show socks. If you want to follow me on Instagram, the link is in my bio. And now we are ready to pop the socks in the drawer. They all sit up really nice and straight. Make sure you leave a little section for your odd socks, and then you're done.
So now you do the first layers kind of like your base layer, and we are going to make a really pretty design. It's so simple, but yet people find this fascinating when they come into my house, and they also think that I am a sociopath, that I take the time to do this once a month. But you know what? You say OCD is a disease.
Hello, and welcome to my laundry room that is in my basement. I'm about to let you in on my laundry room secret. You see those clothes right there? Those are all my children's. And you see that side? Well, that's my husband. See, I'm the only one that does laundry in this house, so I'm the only one that gets a closet. I brought all of their clothes down here to the laundry room, so it saves me a ton of time to take them out of the dryer and hang them up in their spots. No more baskets up 2 flights of stairs. Hey, if they want a closet, they gotta start doing laundry. That's how it works.
I saw this amazing organization hack from my girl Teresa, so I wanted to try it. I bought the honeycomb drawer dividers off of Amazon. They came in a pack of 8 for around $15. This is such a creative solution to organizing your undies. I went out and got some new ones from TJ Maxx. They came in a pack of 7 for around $13. They are so soft and comfy, and I love that they're no-show. I don't know what it is, but it's so satisfying getting your life and things organized. If you need a boost in your mental health, try this. It's such an easy one, and I love the way it looks. I think it turned out really cute, but you guys let me know what you want to see next in the comments. Ladies, I'm going to show you how to make your own car emergency kit using only Dollar Tree products. First, you're going to want to grab this snack container. It comes in a few colors. Then pick out all of the essential items you think you'll need in desperate times. For me, it's hair ties, tampons, Band-Aids, Tylenol, you name it. I just like to have everything on hand in case something happens and you need it on the go. I know I can't be the only one that has been on the road and at some point needed one of these items, so I hope this inspires you to make your own. The sauce container works perfect for hair ties. Put it in the middle, then put the top on, twist it together, and there you have it. All of this for under 10 is well worth it. Put it in your glove box and thank me later.
So now you do the first layers kind of like your base layer. And we are going to make a really pretty design. It's so simple, but yet people find this fascinating when they come into my house. And they also think that I am a sociopath, that I take the time to do this once a month.
I try not to open this door to avoid what's inside. Yeah. Reorganizing my cleaning closet. I'm gonna start by taking everything out. I'm debating whether I should DIY Hazel a mini closet. She has so many clothes. Look at you waiting. She loves when I take them out. The first shelf is done. I'm so glad I'm doing this. And why do I have pillows in here? Okay, wow. I just gotta grab this now. Whoop. I'm taking this out and I'm gonna use it in a different space. I can't wait to show you what I got instead. I got these 2 cube organizers. I already built one. I'm gonna hurry and build the second one. One more screw. The first one is going in like this. I put the second one on top and I secured them together so they wouldn't move. Yeah, my IKEA was out of stock, but Target definitely came through. This is exactly what I wanted, minus the little space in the middle. Now I have to put everything back in and organize it. I'm also going to be decorating, so I will see you tomorrow for part 2. Cleaning my cleaning closet, part 2. I have to go to the kitchen. So I normally use these cleaners, but I'm going to wait till they're empty, and I saw these glass spray bottles, and I'm going to try and make homemade cleaner. In case I don't like it, comment down below your favorite cleaners or recipes. Got to stop hanging your clothes like this.
You know how you take 2 skirt or pant hangers, put them together, you know, and just hang them in your closet, right? No, that takes up too much space. Instead, see this little hole right here? You should link them vertically so you save more room on your rack. Before, after.
I scored these awesome baskets on clearance at Kroger, of all places, for just a few dollars a piece. While they're beautiful, they just weren't quite what I was looking for, but we're gonna fix that. So first I remove all of the liners and we're gonna give it a fresh coat of gold spray paint. I used the metallic gold leaf. Did 2 coats of spray paint, which I'm matching the gold to the gold tassels on these other baskets that will go in the same closet. So here is the after, and this is what they look like in that closet. So be sure to like and follow to see what goes in here.